lovelies, so today's video is all about how to do a protein treatment for natural hair and especially type 4 hair. So I'm starting out with shampooing and I'm using the brand Aphogee. It is really good for protein treatments. This particular line of their product is especially designed for just infusing that protein that might be lost in your regimen. So I am using their shampoo for damaged hair, and some of the benefits of a protein treatment are that it helps reduce breakage, it helps to ensure that your natural hair maintains the proper balance of both protein and moisture. It also helps prevent split ends. It helps to strengthen limp, brittle hair strands as well. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Juliet, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you definitely should. So I am going to proceed to make sure that I shampoo really well. I use the tips of my fingers, not my nails, to just massage my scalp to lift any extra product buildup that I may have. And then when I rinse out my shampoo, I'm going next with the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Okay, hi lovely. So I just finished shampooing and I want to use the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Not because I have serious breakage, but because I haven't done a protein treatment in a while. So I need my hair to have everything I wanted to. So that's why I'm using this one. But usually if I want to do like a regular protein treatment, I would use either this or another brand that I also really like called Mills Creek. Yeah, but I would like put everything in the description box below. So yeah, so instead of using this one, this is like if you're really in a rush and you don't have time and you just want that like quick protein treatment, then I'll suggest you use this one. This is the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. So it literally works under 2 minutes, but I want something more intense, so I'm going for this one. And you see why this is more intense. This one literally like makes your hair so hard, like it infuses all the protein that you need inside your hair. I avoid doing this because of how messy it gets, but it's necessary for having a healthy hair regimen. At least try and do it like once or twice in a year, or I think once in a year is actually fine, depending on what your hair routine is. So following the instructions, it says general direction: shake well before use. Okay, we're shaking. So shake well before use, and then gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. I've used that. And then rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. So I've done that already. So I have, dried all the excess water with the towel. Then apply enough Aphogee treatment to totally saturate hair and blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Okay, so what I don't have with me is a wide tooth comb, but I am going to take each twist down and then apply this on each twist so you all can see. I think I should go get a wide tooth comb so that it would be done properly. But a wide tooth comb usually like takes so long, and you really don't want to be combing your hair when it is getting hard. It's a disaster. So yeah, so you have to do this really quickly before your hair dries up and gets super hard. So the next thing, it says leave hair uncovered and do not use a plastic cap. Then okay, so all the rest is about if you're in a salon and what to do. So this is actually supposed to be used by professionals. It's not supposed to be used at home by us. But yeah, I do my hair myself, so it's fine. So I'm just going to show you how I use this, and yeah, let's get right into it. So as I said, the first thing I'm going to do here is take down each twist. My hair is in about 6 twists, so 3 on each side, and they are fairly large. And this is on purpose because I want to make sure that I get through my hair really quickly before one side already gets dry. So I'm releasing each twist and then I'm going to pour. The most important thing that you need to do is that you need to put this treatment on the ends of your hair first. So you put it on the ends of your hair because they're the oldest part of your hair, and they're the major parts that are more susceptible to breakage and more susceptible to split ends. So I make sure that I saturate my ends with it, and then I go into the rest of the length of my hair. It doesn't really say anything on the package about placing it on your scalp, so I wouldn't suggest that you do so. Make sure you read the instructions first to know what you need to do. And This product is majorly for if your hair is like super breaking and you just like need, you're tired and you're just stuck and you just don't know what to do next, and you've tried every product and it doesn't work. I would genuinely recommend this. So yeah, so I'm just like going all over each part, as I said, each twist. I make sure that I pour enough of the protein treatment on the length of my hair, mainly focusing on the ends of the hair. And I rake it through, I break it through with my fingers first, and then I proceed to use a white tooth comb to comb through the Aphogee 2-step treatment on my hair. So guys, this stuff is kind of like pure protein, to be honest, broken down to be able to be absorbed into our hair. So I really do advise that if you're using this, that you be careful. It's really sticky, it's really messy. Okay, at this part I'm just showing you how I like missed my hand because it got really sticky, and I just used my fingers to like remove the excess protein treatment that has poured on my hand out, and it just helps me reduce the stickiness. So don't worry if you poured excess. It doesn't really matter. Your hair absorbs as much as it can, and it will work with what it can absorb. So if you have excess, you can always like wash it out when you're rinsing it out. So now you have two options when you're all done. So on the instructions at the back of the product, it clearly says that we should use heat if we can, and if you have a blow dryer, you can use a blow dryer. If you're in a salon, you can sit under a dryer, just to make sure that the protein completely absorbs into your hair. So sometimes I actually allow my hair to air dry, and in this case I really wanted to follow the instructions to educate you lovelies, and just to make sure that you all do it properly. So make sure that once you're done, this is what my hair looks like when it's all done, and once you're done with everything, you make sure that you use your blow dryer on high heat, like for less than 5 minutes, just to breeze through your whole head and to make sure that all the protein is absorbed. Don't worry about the excess. Any excess will be rinsed out once you're done. So once it's completely absorbed, your hair would be really stiff and really hard. And this is why it says you shouldn't manipulate your hair. You should leave your hair uncovered, because as it is really hard, it shows that the protein has been absorbed into your hair. So you try not to touch your hair at all. So just make sure that once it's all absorbed in, then you can proceed to rinse it out. Can you all see my shrinkage? My shrinkage sometimes is just ridiculous. So yeah, the make of my blow dryer is by Remington, but you can use any blow dryer that you have. You don't have to purchase this one. So alright, so next I actually used 3 different conditioners for this. I like my hair weighed down with deep conditioners, and it is just like my thing, but it's entirely your choice. You don't really need all the excess conditioner in your hair to prove that your hair is being conditioned. But I used 3 different conditioners for this, which is absolutely unnecessary and very extra. But I just wanted my hair to be completely balanced off with the right amount of moisture. So I used the deep conditioner by Midas Natural. I also used the deep conditioner by Eden Body Works, and I will write the names of all the products I use, don't worry, in the description box. And I will also, write a full detail of everything on my website, Igbocurls.com. So don't forget to check it out. Also, don't forget to check out my book. I actually wrote a book on that for hair care, and it is perfect for anyone who, is just starting out. Also, anyone who is frustrated with their journey and just wants to know what works and what doesn't work. And it's super easy to read. I made it as simplistic as possible, and I wrote it especially for the non-readers, so you don't have to spend 24 hours trying to figure it out. No, everything is very easy to understand, and I just threw in a little bit of humor as well, so you can be more engaged in the book. So yes, I do suggest that you purchase my book without being too biased. It is a good book. So yeah, once I am all done, this is what my hair looks like, and I'm just going to I deep condition for about 30 minutes. And my hair is all rinsed out and fabulous looking. I put it back in the 3 twists, and I just love how my skin glows whenever I like pour some water in it. So I'm going to release one twist to show you guys what my hair looks like. And as you can see, it is all rinsed out, all clean, all kind of shiny. I just liked how it looked quite shiny. So yeah, so if you've seen my twist out video recently, this is what it looks like. And I attached this in specifically just to show you all an option for styling. Like you could just style your hair in a twist out, a braid out, flat twist, anything you want right after this. So yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with all your friends on social media. And yeah, thank you all, and welcome to I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much for watching, especially till the end. Like, not many people do that. So yeah, thank you. Take care now. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. Take care, and as always, make sure that you live well, live great, and pray always. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.